in the second question, if x is a congruent to 13 mod 17, okay, in a sentence they mention. So I am having with given, so I am having x is congruent to 13 mod 70. That should be within bracket. Then 7x minus 3 is a first equation taking this. So 7x minus 3 is congruent to which number? I don't know that number. So I am representing that is my key. We already did that one B, right? So your remainder should be B, right? So I am representing B. So whatever alphabet you need take mark. So that should be mod 70. Okay. So this is the second option. So what they mentioned, which number? So they are asking this B value comparative with whether it is like this means then you can move to this congruent. That's only they are asking. So first of all you find out a x value. So normally the congruent you should take a least value. Okay, first of all remember that your value should be least. Okay, x we having in before some we already know. So depends upon k value, I can write my x value. We are having lots of value, right? So we are taking a least value, the same method. So in this place, you are having a least value to take. So first from equation 1, I am taking x is congruent to 13 mod 17, right? So what is a normal formal? So we already know this is why A is congruent to B mod n means I can write A minus B by n. It's a one format that's equal to some k. It's a normal format, right? So I can write this. So this is for your rough mark. If you have a clear means you don't need to write. So x minus my remainder divided 17 equal to my k value. Okay, so what can I do in this place? Right, so x minus 13 equal to 17 into some k. This is a proper. Then if I am putting my k value is 1 means the same the previous sum. So k is any integer, so it starts from 1. So I need a first value is enough because I need a least value. So if I am putting k is 1 means so x minus 13, so 7 into 1 because I need a least value, that's it. So x equal to 17. So this value is moving that side, so plus 13. So for my x value is 30 in this place. Okay, by using the first equation I find out my x equal to 30 value. Then I can move to this and find out my b value. So from equation 2, what's the equation 2? From equation 2, what we have in equation 2? In equation 2 we have 7x minus 3 is congruent to b mod 17. So 7x minus 3 b mod 17. So I can write 7x minus 3 is congruent to b mod what? 17. So I am having like this. So I know my x value is 30. Substitute x. Then we get. So then I am having 17 into 30 minus 3 is congruent to b mod 17. Then I am having 17 into 30. 7 to 0, 0. 7 3s are 210 minus 3 is congruent to b mod 17. Then I can write. So subtracting from this. So 10 means 207 is congruent to b mod 17. Okay. So the normal format 207 minus your b value is constituent to mod 0 mod 17. Okay, if you have like this means you can divide 207 by dividing as 17. Okay, in 17 table you can divide, so I can take a 2 digits, so 17 ones are 17. If you have a remainder, that is your b value, so you are going to find out your b value, that's why I am using this. So this is a 17 means, so what is our balance? 110 minus 7 is 3, so I am getting 7. Okay, so in 17 table 17 3s are how much? 1, so 2 3, so obviously 5, so 17 4s are 7 into 4 28, 2 4 ones are 4, 16, so obviously should be 3. 17 3s are, I am getting a 51, sorry 51 is also biggest value, then 17 2s are, it's not possible, sorry. So 14 balance 1 2 plus 1 3, so I can write for my 72s are. Okay, for 34 7 minus 4 I am getting a 30. Are you clear? If you are dividing like this, you are getting a remainder 3, because you are subtracting this value from any value, I don't know which value, so it is a decreasing, so that remainder is a 3 means I can write like this. Okay, what is the possibility? So 207 minus this remainder 3 is constituent to 0 mod 17. So 207 is constituent to my b value is a 3 mod 17. If you subtract this, if you subtract 207 from 3, 207 minus 3 means we are getting how much? 4. So in a 17 table it should be cancelled. Okay, that's only they mentioned. So therefore my b equal to 3. That's it. Okay, if you want to calculate also, you will calculate and see. Okay, no problem for this. Thank you.